In today's video, I'll show you how to make a mind map in Microsoft Whiteboard. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Whiteboard website. Once you're on the home page, click New Board, then select Start with Blank Canvas. This will take you to the editing page where you can start creating your mind map using shapes and lines. To begin, click on the Shapes tool and choose a rectangle. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it based on your preference. Next, you can select another shape, such as a diamond, and drag it onto the editing area as well. You can add as many shapes as you need, depending on your mind map design. If you want to duplicate a shape, simply select it, click the three dots, choose Duplicate, and then move the copied shape to your desired position. To customize the appearance, click on a shape and open the Shape Color Picker. Choose the color you want and repeat the process for the other shapes if needed. Next, connect the shapes. Click on the Line tool and draw a line between the shapes. If you want to use arrows to clearly show connections, select a line with arrowheads and draw it between each shape. Make sure all shapes are properly connected to clearly represent your mind map structure. Once everything is connected, you can now add content inside each shape. Click on a shape, select Add Text, and start typing the information you want to include for each part of your mind map. And that's it! That's how you make a mind map in Microsoft Whiteboard.